Hello, class 7 students. Yesterday, we did about converting a rational number into a decimal number. Today, children, I will be telling you about terminating and non-terminating decimal numbers. So, basically, children, when we are expressing a rational number as decimal, it can be of two types. That is terminating, it can have a terminating representation or a non-terminating representation. So children, the non-terminating decimal representation of a rational number is further divided as non-terminating but repeating. That is in the case of a rational number. And the other one is non-terminating, non-repeating. That is for the case of irrational numbers. So these irrational numbers, children, we will be doing in class 9. So now, for now, we will concentrate just on the terminating rational numbers. And the second is on the non-terminating but repeating rational numbers, the decimal representations. So I have written for rational numbers, we deal only with either terminating decimals or non-terminating but repeating decimals. So now the question arises, what is a terminating decimal? So children, whenever we divide the numerator by a denominator, we get the remainder equal to 0. आता भी है नहीं भी आता अगर रिमाइंडर 0 है if the remainder comes out to be 0 then we say that a rational number has a terminating decimal अगर 0 नहीं होगा तो हम क्या कहेंगे it has a non terminating decimal representation so for terminating decimal representation किसी ना किसी point पे the remainder has to be 0 so एक और ट्रिक है बिना डिवाइड किए चेक करने का सो यू वांट टू नो दैट ट्रिक सो चिल्ड्रन व्हाट डू we check the denominator of the rational number जो भी rational number दिया है we'll just go for the denominator of that number and we will try to find its prime factorization prime factors you know how to find the prime factors by prime factorization method है ना so if the numbers are 2 and 5 only. That means whenever we are doing the prime factorization, the only two numbers we are getting again and again are either 2 or 5. सभी 2 भी हो सकते हैं, all 5 can be there, but no other number. Then we say that the rational number will have a terminating decimal representation, otherwise it will be non-terminating repeating decimal. For example, without actual division, I have taken an example, a question without actual division means without dividing. We have to identify if the rational number will have terminating or non-terminating decimal representation. So children, I have the number 21 upon 128. Here, the denominator is what? You can see the denominator, it is 128. Now what we have to do? We have to make the prime factors of the denominator. The denominator is 128. So we will make the prime factors of 128. So I am making the prime factors of 128. So 128 to 64, 232, 216, 28, 24, 22 and last is 1. So I write 128 and I get 2 how many times? I get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 times. So I have written 2 raised to the power of 7. So the only prime factor is 2 7 times. है ना? 7 times 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. So that means 2 के अलावा कोई और नंबर नहीं है. We say that it has a terminating decimal presentation. Second, 39 upon 24. Now again, where will we concentrate? We will just concentrate on the denominator. Yes. So here the denominator is what? The denominator is 24. So 24 we will make the prime factors. 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 6, 3, 3 and 1. So 24 can be written as कितनी बारी 2 है? 3 times. We have written 2 into 2 into 2 and 3. We have written a 3. So we get a number which is other than 2. Now, if you remember, children, I'll share the previous one with you. The number should only be 2 या फिर 5, या 2 हो या 5 हो, उसके अलावा काउंटिंग का कोई और नंबर नहीं होना चाहिए, कोई भी और प्राइम फैक्टर नहीं होना चाहिए. So we are getting a number, which we are getting a prime number of course, but it is other than 2. It is a number 3. So it is non-terminating. Clear? Children, if you have any doubts, you can ask me, and I'm attaching a worksheet, so you have to do that worksheet. Take care and stay inside only, beta. God bless you.